Welcome to the Singapore Management University podcast series, where we feature the latest insights and perspectives from our faculty. The DHL SMU Green Transformation Lab was launched in May 2013 to create innovative solutions that help companies transform their businesses towards green growth and drive beneficial change in supply chains across the Asia-Pacific region through education, research, and best practice development. The lab, which is housed at the SMU School of Information Systems, is a collaboration with global logistics company DHL. SMU generates interdisciplinary solutions by drawing on the expertise of its schools of business and information systems, contributing its technology know-how, innovative ideas and analytics capabilities to the partnership. For its part, DHL introduces real-world challenges associated with existing and future projects, domain expertise, thought leadership, as well as business and customer networks. Assistant Professor Tan Ka Wei from the SMU School of Information Systems is the academic director of the Green Transformation Lab. In this podcast, Professor Tan shares the progress the lab has made in research, outreach and education programs since inception, as well as its future plans. Professor, the Green Transformation Lab was established to accelerate the evolution of sustainable logistics across the Asia-Pacific region. Could you tell me how the lab has helped to quicken the process of adoption of sustainable logistics?
The Green Transformation Lab engages companies in three different ways. Firstly, we build the awareness about sustainability for organizations which are still new in the concept of sustainability. Secondly, we provide tools and methodology to organizations which are beginning to adopt sustainability practices, but still lacking in the know-how and the tools to systematically approach the problem. And finally, the third ways in which we engage organizations is to work together with the organizations which are more advanced in sustainability efforts to transform their businesses towards sustainability green growth. The Green Transformation Lab believes that it is important for us to have these three engagements, is that it is an important time for the industry to consider sustainability, to be able to adopt these practices. Sustainability has become part of a business strategy instead of something that is good to do. Reason being, 2/3 of the oil-producing countries has already passed the peak of their production. Oil prices are expected to double by 2020. Additionally, there has been increase of energy consumption, estimated to be about 50% over the past 2 decades, especially in Asia where we are in. This is according to Economist Intelligence Unit. Another reason is that it has been estimated that 5 billion people will stay in the city. It will be overcrowding and increase the use of urban spaces.
Can you elaborate on some of the key research projects that the lab has undertaken since its founding about 2 years ago?
The Green Transformation Lab has done a number of creations and innovation over the last 2 years. I will give you 3 projects of these new creations, both in the areas of the IT as creations as well as in business strategies. Okay. One of the IT projects that we have done is the Carbon Dashboard. This is an online tool which has been commercialized that measures the carbon footprint for a manufacturer for its end-to-end supply chain. We use it in the business case with a major computer equipment manufacturer to visualize the carbon emission across the 5 logistics service providers that they have used for the entire supply chain. They use this tool to analyze what-if scenarios for making decisions of using which transport mode, whether it's air freight or whether it's ocean freight. They also use the tool with analytical features to pinpoint geographically the route that emits the most carbon emissions and then make decisions accordingly. The next IT project is the Energy Certificate project. This tool is also an online tool that allows measurement of energy efficiency of a warehouse operations by normalizing the energy consumption against a set of benchmark data. The pilot was done with a manufacturer with multiple warehouses in China. And this tool enables this company to better compare the energy consumption across their warehouse sites and also to track the consumption across the years and support decision making with what-if analysis. The last project I'm going to share with you is in the domain of operations management. The project is called the Extended Producer Responsibility. This is a study about the reverse logistics and waste management trends in new markets in Asia Pacific and Africa. In this study, we study the economic, social, legislation factors that influence the success of implementing collection of electronic waste. The aim of the project is to identify the new markets to implement such solutions.
What are some of the education and outreach programs that the lab has launched?
The educational programs includes providing guest lecture for undergraduate and postgraduate courses at SMU, offering internship to SMU undergraduate, providing scholarships for master level students for their capstone project, and giving real-world projects to research assistants. We have also launched a sustainability award to encourage and recognize our undergraduate level students for their effort towards sustainability.
Share with me some of the lab's plans going forward.
Moving forward, the Green Transformation Lab will continue to innovate, develop tools, and build capability that address the sustainability challenges faced in the businesses today. We would like to work with more companies and even government regulators on more projects. This is really timely as Singapore has launched a sustainable blueprint in 2007. A couple of the topics like mobility, resource sustainability, and air quality really fit into the mission and objective of the Green Transformation Lab. Very recently, L2NIC, it stands for Land and Livability National Innovation Challenge. This was offered by the Ministry of National Development and the National Research Foundation to support high-impact research and small-scale projects on sustainability across 5 years between 2013 and 2018. Moving forward, we feel that this is timely because the opportunity are out there to integrate education, research, and practice to leverage on DHL domain's expertise and SMU scholastic leadership and technology know-how. We look forward to help more companies transform their businesses towards sustainability green growth.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.